Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's BerryFae. So today we are making fish tacos, okay? So I just made them a couple days ago and they were so good I had to make them again. So I'm gonna actually record it this time so y'all can see how I do my fish tacos, okay? I will be using tilapia. I used it the last time. The last time I used it, I got it from Sam's. This time I'm using some from Aldi just because it was just closest to me, and I'm not a seafood eater, but I will eat tilapia, salmon, and like cod. So let me just go ahead and show you guys. So this is obviously the pan that I'm going to be using. Now, the last time I did it, I didn't know what I was doing, but it turned out really good. So we're going to kind of try to follow the same thing that I did before. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and pour some vinegar all over the fish just to make sure that I'm cleaning it properly. Boom, boom, boom. And then I'm going to take a whole lemon and I'm going to squeeze all the juice out. I like mine's really like citrusy. It just feels so much cleaner. Now I'm just gonna let this sit for a few minutes while I get all the spices and stuff ready. So I went ahead and rinsed them off. They're nice and clean, fresh. Got a nice citrus clean scent going on here, which is awesome. We're gonna go ahead and slice them up in some small pieces, and then I'm gonna use my spices to go ahead and season it up. So I kind of slice it into fours and then I slice it this way a couple times. Kind of like that. All right, so we have our tilapia all sliced and diced. Now it's time to go ahead and season this thing. And just a little bit of some Scotch bonnet pepper sauce. Go ahead and mix that up. So I'm gonna go ahead and cover this up and then stick it in the fridge so it can marinate. So I got it here in the fridge. I'm gonna leave it in there for about 2 hours or so. And then I'll take a little break and I'll be back. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and put some oil in this pan. This is where I'm going to be frying the fish. The oil, I got it on high just to get hot, and then I'm gonna turn it down once it's hot enough. Let's go ahead and start breading the fish. So I'm gonna go ahead and crack 2 eggs. I'm gonna go ahead and sift some flour into this bowl. And then I'm gonna season up this flour. And you sift the flour just so that it's not lumpy. So I'm gonna do just a little bit of flour over the fish right now, just so that when it's time to put it in the egg batter, it has something to stick to. Just a little bit. Season our flour. I'm just going to put some paprika, some onion powder, some black pepper, and of course a little bit of salt. So the way it's going to work, I'm going to take a piece of the fish, I'm going to dip it in the egg, dip it in the flour, and then that's it. Nicely coated. now that our oil is hot, I'm gonna go ahead and turn it down. All right, so we have some of the fish right here. We're gonna go ahead and put it in the pan, nice and slow. We're gonna let that fry for about 3 minutes on each side.